Hey y'all. Hey. Whew. I'm here. I'm ready to get started on my video. But it's been a bit of a long day. So, whew. Time for me to start drinking. In fact, I'm gonna come back after I have at least one glass in me. Okay, I'll be back. Woo! Hi y'all, hi, I'm back. Y'all, it has just been such a long day. You know, it's so long that I would say I probably don't miss happy hour. It's like, oh, yeah, because it's after 7. So happy hour is definitely gone. So that just means nighttime drinking has begun. I don't know why did they feel so long, because it wasn't hectic, but it was really, really a long day. But anyway, y'all, I'm up here with my second glass. And I try not to drink too much during the videos, you know, take a sip here, take a sip there. But honestly, I'm just gonna tell you the truth, there's gonna be a lot of sipping. Oh wow, it's so good. Okay, so if you watched a couple of other videos, I've been drinking this rosé. It's Bravino rosé. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This is probably my 4th or 5th purchase of this wine. I love it. And I'm not sick of it yet. And normally I tried, like, let me try something different. I don't even want to do that right now. This is going to be a staple for a while. This and my Yingling. And every once in a while, if I get a craving for a Steel Reserve. And that's it. But y'all, I am just, plumb tired from working, from running around after work. I had more errands. I think I'm done with one, and then I had one to do for myself. And then my man called, hubby called, and was like, yo, can you pick me up this? Because he's still at work. And I'm like, yeah, okay, what's one more errand? And then I got to come home, ginger, blah, 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 blah. And you know, I'm not cooking. Not even, not doing that. I'm not even thinking about it. I asked him, you want to bring you some food? No, I just eat when I get home. No, you won't. Okay. You fix you a sandwich. Because I'm not cooking. No. All right. That was my little rant. But on to the video. Because I did stop. One of my errands today was I wanted to go to Home Depot. I haven't been to Home Depot in a little while, and the last couple of times I've been to Lowe's has been just a little bit disappointing. They still haven't gotten their plants in. Now they may have put some in this week because I haven't been there, but I went 3 times last week looking for some new plants, and they really didn't have very much of anything, and I went to 2 different Lowe's. So I was like, well, you know, let me go and check out Home Depot. Haven't been there in a while, and I did. And here's the first plant that I got from Home Depot. Let's try to get it all in the camera. This plant, I do not know the name of it. I don't. It's in one of these, and I don't like these pots. I don't like it. This is in one of those self-watering pots. And the only reason why I think I don't like them is because I don't know how to use them. Of course, I think this is a bird nest fern. I have a bird nest fern upstairs, and it's really good. But this looks a little bit different. So y'all, if y'all know what this is, I mean, if you were like, hey, it is a bird nest fern, go ahead and tell me that. I'm cool with that, because I absolutely I loved it. This plant was just like, it looks like something that you see. I'm a big Trekkie, okay? Big, huge Trekkie. And it looks like something you would see in the first Star Trek series, like one of these types of plants. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I think one of the reasons why I'm so like drained and tired is I was having a conversation with a friend of mine at work who was telling a story about another friend. And the story was a little draining, and I ain't wasting your time with it. But at one point, she's up here telling me all the child's intimate details. Like, you know, she tested positive for chlamydia. I'm like, I don't want to know about your ooh no. I don't want to know about your ooh la la. That's none of my business. I don't want. That's too much. Keep it to yourself. Don't nobody wants to know what's going down there. Privacy, secrets. It's like, you know, that's between you and your doctor and whoever you gave it or got it from. I was just like, you know, I mean, like, ooh. But for real, y'all, I really had no desire to. I never have another desire of knowing what's going on with somebody's ooh la la I don't want to know. I don't want to know. You know, so that was taxing for me. And it messed my head up for the rest of the day because I couldn't, you know, because you want to talk to somebody, but you can't tell anybody because then they going to know who you were talking about. But I tell y'all don't know. Y'all don't care. But that was beyond TMI for me. I ain't say nothing though because I didn't want to hurt the child's feelings. You know, she telling her friend's business and I'm just like, But anyway, back to the plant. Little side note, sorry, got off track. Oh, but y'all really should get this wine. You really should try this wine. I mean, really, it is so good. Now, I'm not a sweet wine drinker. I don't like sweet wine. Like, the most sweet I'll do, and I can think this is very sweet, is a Riesling. That's the most I do. I don't like a Moscato. I don't like a white Zinfandel. Now, I love a Zinfandel, just not a white Zinfandel. But this is just, it's a rosé, and it has a 20, it's a little sweet. I mean, it's a little sweet to me, but it's extra dry, so it's really good to me. It's not overpowering sweetness. But you know, you can always darken something up if you wanted, if you must have the sweetness in it, but you really, really, if I didn't have to, no, I'm gonna finish that whole bottle. I was about to lie to y'all. I was about to say, if I didn't have to work tomorrow, I would finish this whole bottle. I got to work tomorrow and I'm still finishing this whole bottle. It is that good to me. But anyway, if you know the name of this plant, and I'm sure it's a bird nest, or at least in that family, just let me know. It's probably just a bird's nest, but it's so cute. It's really good. The other plant that I got, because I only got two, I see it right here. And this one, I don't think I'm going to get it all on camera, but y'all, I told y'all I like big plants. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. I don't know if you can tell. This, excuse me. I want to say alocasia. Yeah, I believe that's what it is. Let me look. Yes, it's an alocasia. And I think this is a plant that you would normally see outdoors. I'm not worried. I'll put it outdoors in the summertime, but honestly, I'm not worried about leaving it indoors either because of the weather here. It's just that it'll be fine. Like, it's real cold today. It's real cold, really cold. I think I woke up below freezing. Y'all know I don't like that. But even though I woke up below freezing today, and it's still cold, I'm like, this is not gonna last. This is something that may be for the next couple of days, and then we'll start warming up again. So I'm not really worried about this, but I love it. I love it. This is not the one that's on my wish list. I really want the black velvet alocasia, but this is a part of that family. I don't know the other name of it. This is definitely alocasia. I have another one. I have a black African mass, which I absolutely love. And I will insert a clipping of my black mass because it has just grown so much and it's done so well all through this year. And it even bloomed last spring. I think it was spring. I think it bloomed last spring, and it only gave me one bloom, but I didn't know they did that. So that was actually really cool. But this one is just like, you see my head. Here's the leaf. So that gives you an idea of how big these leaves are. And this was at Home Depot. And y'all, when I tell you it only cost $15, it cost, that was after the tax. So I don't even think it made it quite to 15. I was really impressed. And they had a whole bunch there. And I was just like, wow, Home Depot to the rescue. So I was gonna sit here and just repot these on camera. And I'll probably do a part 2 video. And so I'm gonna end part 1 right now saying, oh wait, I wanna show you guys one more thing that I got. I've been having an issue with gnats, fungus gnats. Fungus gnats suck, okay? But it comes with the territory. And I guess on one of my videos I was complaining about it, and a viewer, thank you very much, I think her name was Peggy, a viewer suggested that I get some pumice stones. And I had heard about pumice stones on other videos, and I was just there. We don't carry them here in South Carolina, and I definitely think it's definitely a UK, a Euro thing, because I have seen them in Europe. But oh, look at that! But but I decided to just check Amazon, and Amazon did have some, and so I went ahead and I purchased some pumice stones. And this is supposed to help with gnats. Put the pumice stones on top of the soil. I have to do a little bit more research. Put the pumice stones on top, and this will help smother the gnats and kill them. So I started off with I'm sorry if I'm yelling. I truly apologize. Okay, so I started off with a small bag. This bag is about 2 quarts. Yeah, it's about 2 quarts. This costs, okay. How much did this cost? I want to say it cost $15 from Amazon. Yes, I'm pretty confident it did. If that's not, I'll look it up to be certain. But if you know, I'll look it up and I'll put the actual price of what I paid for it. And they had other sizes, and I think it went up to $30. But I didn't want to pay $30 if this didn't work. So I'm definitely going to reorder more if it works. But I'm gonna try it first, and I'm gonna try it on the plants in my plant room, because that's where I'm having the biggest trouble with gnats. I told y'all about sand. Sand does work, but sand really works as for, like, I say for your succulents, for your sanivarians or sanivarias. I say get sand because it really does. But when you water sand, when you water your plant and it's covered in sand, it's just, the sand will eventually seep down into the soil turns over, and all of a sudden you have soil on top of the sand, and that doesn't defer to gnats. And that just maybe because of my watering techniques. I probably could do a little bit better. And the sand is way cheaper. The sand, play sand at Lowe's is less than $3. So definitely I would still use sand, and then you get a huge ass bag. I'm not even halfway through the bag of sand. And and it works. It does. It really does work. Works about as well as this wine right now. Judge away, y'all, because I told you I'm going to finish this bottle. I'm going to finish this bottle. Yep. Hey, Monique. Monique 007. Cheers, bitch. Cheers. You are now a friend in my head. So, I'm just having the best of time doing these videos. I'm going to come back with a repot. So this is definitely going to be a part 2. Because I'm going to pot up, because I hate that plant in that watering container. I do not have a container for this plant. So this plant will be, and it's really, really cold, and I don't want to shock it. It was in Home Depot, not outside, but not really in a greenhouse setting. So I don't really want to shock this plant. I'm going to leave it in here for a little bit. I am going to water it because it does need to be watered. And for my other plant here. This one I'm going to come back and I'm going to repot it because the name of this channel is Drinkin and Plantin, or Plantin and Drinkin. It's probably Plantin and Drinkin. Either way is good. So we're going to come back and we're going to plant this sucker up. And I'm going to see if it can fit in here. Y'all, I picked this up at Target. I told y'all I was running errands. Picked this up at Target. $3 in the dollar section. Look at this. Look at this. So freaking cute. And you know, they had a couple of more. One of them had a little saying on it, welcome to my home. No, I don't need that. But they had a couple to choose from. I just thought it was so cute for $3. And it does have drainage hole in it. And I just thought, I'll get it. Because I didn't realize I was going to buy a plant like this. And if that one can't fit in there, because I'm out. I'm out of planters again. We got this one. Let's see. Maybe this one will work. Nope. I mean, it looks cute in there, but it's about the same size as this. Maybe I don't have to repot it at all, and I can just... I can probably get away with leaving it in here. Either way, I probably won't repot it. I think it looks good in here. I don't like... Yeah, it's not going to fit in there. I do not like self-watering pots. I don't. And that's probably because I don't know how to use them, but I don't like them. But anyway, okay, so I was going to come back and do the repot, but I don't think I'm going to repot this because I'm not seeing any roots hanging out at the bottom of it. I'll keep an eye on it for about a week. If it needs to be repotted, I'll repot it. But I'll probably, you know, y'all, I go to Goodwill and the thrift stores and find something for it. And as far as this one is concerned, we're still going to do a part 2 because I need to tell you guys about... One more. Yes. We're still going to do a part 2 because I need to tell you guys about my spider plants that I purchased. Not doing so good. Need to update you on my dumb cane, and I want to give you an update on a huge clearance post. Those are 3 plants I purchased on clearance about 3 weeks ago now, and they are not doing well, and I just want to show you what I did, and hopefully it works. Probably going to lose the spider plant though, so you know, stay tuned for that. I guess, oh, I'm at 17 minutes. I need to edit this video. So, okay, y'all, stay tuned. Come back for more Drinkin and Plantin. Bye.